Hey guys, Juan Carlos here. I'm getting ready to install the winch. I got the Smittybilt XRC 9500 Gen 3 onto my JL. This is the Rugged Ridge heavy duty full size bumper. I got the winch over here. Bring the camera over. So here's the winch. I already got it all ready to go. I want to show you the back, the wiring. Hooked up the wiring. It's all easy. You know, A, B, C, and D. It's all labeled. It's all very easy to do. I had to put the box to the left because there's barely any room here. If you have a JL and get this bumper, you're not going to have much room here for the wiring, so you got to put it outside. So let's go ahead and get it on there. You have these 4 nuts, square nuts. They're going to go underneath the winch. And the bolts are going to come from underneath. Like so. We're going to insert the bolt from the bottom right through the bumper onto the winch. There's 4 bolts on each corner, and that's what we're going to do. 16mm socket. How to change to a short 60mm joint and a long extension. nice and sturdy. All the bolts are tying up. We're good for the next step. On the passenger side, on the left side of the headlight, passenger side, there is a clear channel to bring in the wire up to the battery. I'm going to use a wire feeder to go ahead and do that. You can use a clothes hanger as well. I've connected the local light to the headlights. Run the wires up to the top of the hood. What I have to do now is connect the batteries. We should be good to go. Alright everybody, we are going to test the Smittybilt Winch XRC Gen 3 7 horsepower. Here we go. Got it hooked up. Alright, let's see the moment of truth. Okay, the lights on, the controls on. Let's see if the LED comes on. LED's on. Big moment. Is she gonna move? We're gonna go in. This is in. Okay. Oh yeah. Going in. It's good. Very happy.